Frank is a proud Indian compressor manufacturer from the city of manufacturing and inventive entrepreneurs. Frank will be celebrating its silver jubilee year by 2025 with 100 crore turnover. For continuous process improvement and quality deliverables, ISO helps the organization reach its customer satisfaction goals. In spite of pandemic and other market-driven challenges, Frank has been financially stable since its inception. Every move and action of Frank is to give an experience to its customers, let it be the product or its services. Frank had deployed its own service network across the nation that enables close service calls at a faster rate. Every service call are analyzed and monitored by an exclusive team of people headed by the R&D manager. Frank's in-house R&D supports the company with the continuous process and product improvements by applying the latest technology worldwide. Also, the field service reports and corrective action had helped its product. Frank has very wide-range products: reciprocating compressors, screw compressors, energy-saving permanent motor compressors, scroll compressors, oil-free compressors, dental compressors, air dryers and accessories.